Today, I'll show you how to hide members in a Telegram group. Hiding members can help protect privacy in larger communities, especially if you do not want regular members to see the full member list. First, open the Telegram app. Now go to the group where you want to hide the members. Make sure you are the group owner or an admin with permission to manage the group settings. Tap or click the group name at the top of the screen. This will open the group information page. Next, choose Edit or the pencil icon, depending on your device. Now open Permissions or Group Type and Permissions. Look for the option called Hide Members. Turn on Hide Members. When this setting is enabled, regular members will not be able to see the full list of people in the group. However, admins can still view the member list. After enabling the option, save your changes. Now go back to the group and check the member list from a regular member account if you want to confirm it is hidden. If you do not see the Hide Members option, your group may not meet Telegram's requirements or your app may need to be updated. Also, this feature is usually available for larger groups, so it may not appear in every small group. And that's it. You've successfully hidden members in a Telegram group. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.